Hi, how you going? I bought a Luvele meat grinder, so we're going to try it out today and give it a review, see how I like it, how easy it is to put together and use. Okay, so we've got some venison here. I have diced up into small chunks. We're going to be using that to make some dog food today. Now, the machine also comes with attachments for sausages and a couple of different plates. That's a smaller 3mm plate, and we'll be using the 5mm plate today for our mince. You can obviously use this for any meat that you want to mince, beef or lamb, but here we've got venison today. Right, so the instructions come in the pack and they sound pretty easy to put together and use, so let's see how we go. Okay, put the headlock into place, lock it in, pop the grinding screw in. I like that, it's a nice heavy stainless steel one. Pop that on. Now it said to use the 4-blade with the flat piece facing out. If I can get it on, it'll be good. Okay, locking screw, spin her on, finger tight. Okay, feeder plate on top, plug it in, turn her on. Okay, load her up, put a few pieces down there first, get it started. Okay, now venison has very little fat, but it does have a little bit of sinew. We've tried to cut most of that off to make it easy for the grinder so it doesn't get tangled up. Let's see how she goes. Don't use your fingers. Kit comes with a pushing tool. Turn her on. Okay, that's come up really good. So that's how quick and easy to put together and use, guys. So if you've got any meat that you want to mince up, I think the Luvele grinder is the way to go. Thank you.